How's it going, y'all? TK's here, and we are back for another slot car unboxing. Got one here that I was really excited to get my hands on. I saw when it first came out, it sold out pretty quickly, and I just happened to be at a hobby store, and they had it in stock, so I immediately snagged it and was very excited, but haven't opened it yet. And if you know anything about me and have been around my channel, you probably know I am a big Iron Dames fan. And I have here the Ferrari 488 GT3 Iron Dames number 85 by Carrera. It is a Carrera Digital 1/32, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So let's get it out of this box here. Of course, the little Ferrari sleeve. And then, as we know, Carrera's boxes are very nice and sturdy. We'll pop that off. Get rid of the little protector there in the back. Gotta unscrew ourselves here. There we go. And of course, licensed by Ferrari, all official. Very, very nice. Thank you, Carrera. And whoo! This is my first time seeing it out of the package. And I tell you what an absolute beauty. It is like a matte finish. Beautiful pink. Great looking livery. Now, I have seen the Iron Dames in person several times. Stop that, please. I've seen the Iron Dames in person several times, but never in the Ferrari. I've seen them drive the Lamborghini and the Porsche 911, but haven't gotten to see them in this gorgeous Ferrari. And this year, when I saw them at the Rolex 24 Hours, they were in the Porsche. And I believe when I go see them at the Lone Star Le Mans, the World Endurance Series, they will also be in the Porsche, but maybe not. Maybe for WEC they might end up being in the Ferrari. Not sure, but this thing is absolutely beautiful. Oh, fantastic. The spoiler looks great, rear wing there. Number 85, you got the driver inside. And I'm excited to run this around my track. I do have one other Ferrari, and that is the Alex Albon DTM AlphaTauri Ferrari, which is also in a matte finish. So, two matte finish Ferraris, and man, I love it. Look at that motor detail there. You can get in there without any glare. Oh, gorgeous. I love it. All right, we're going to go put it on the track, lube it up a little bit, and see what kind of lap time we get. 2.8. Not too bad. You can see I did take the wing off. I was nervous I was going to crash it after looking at these tires. And you can see how a lot of the tire doesn't even touch the track. You can see right here how smooth it is. So it is very concave. And so I was nervous that it wasn't going to have any grip. But it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I was expecting to have a lot more trouble getting it around the track. Some cool features are the arms that are supposed to hold on to the splitter. They're actually not attached to the splitter at all. The front splitter is part of the chassis, and then these arms are part of the body, so one less thing to break when you crash. So that is a nice feature. I really like that. This is just such a good looking car. I'm curious if y'all are Iron Dames fans, if you're familiar with them. You know, they're in WEC and in IMSA, all-female racing team. Always got the awesome pink liveries. They've done Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini, and they're really good. They win races. They're very competitive in the championship. And I'm so glad that Carrera decided to make a slot car using their Ferrari mold. And like I said, I do have the AlphaTauri DTM Alex Albon Ferrari as well. But that is it. Definitely want to sand down these tires because I think we can make this thing really, really fast. It only has the one magnet, not too powerful, but you know, maybe get some grip on here and take that magnet out for more fun. I was running it analog. This is a digital car, but I didn't feel like changing out the track pieces, so it was running on the Carrera Evolution power unit. But overall, super, super happy with this. This is probably one of my best looking cars, and I'm so glad to have it as part of my collection. We still got a few more to do. Unboxing, so those will be coming as I get around to making them. But please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed this. If you like slot cars, please comment below if this is one you have or if this is one you're wanting to get, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks.